Leveling surveyors play a crucial role in the construction industry, ensuring that the land is properly leveled and prepared for building. In Gurgaon Sector 44, a rapidly developing area in Delhi, the services of leveling surveyors are in high demand. With the booming real estate market and the construction of numerous commercial and residential projects, accurate leveling surveys are essential to ensure the stability and safety of the structures. One of the leading companies providing leveling surveyor services in Gurgaon Sector 44 is Scon Design. With their expertise and experience in the field, Scon Design has gained a reputation for delivering accurate and reliable leveling surveys. They use advanced technology and equipment to measure and analyze the land, determining the variations in elevation and creating detailed reports. The importance of accurate leveling surveys cannot be overstated. It ensures that the foundations of buildings are laid on stable ground, preventing any structural issues in the future. Leveling surveys also help in determining the drainage patterns of the land, ensuring effective water management and preventing flooding or waterlogging issues. By identifying any unevenness in the land, leveling surveyors can recommend appropriate measures to level the surface, such as filling or excavation. Gurgaon Sector 44, being a rapidly developing area, is witnessing significant construction activities. This makes it crucial for developers and builders to hire professional leveling surveyors like Scon Design to ensure that their projects are built on a solid foundation. With their expertise in leveling surveys and knowledge of local regulations and guidelines, Scon Design can provide accurate and reliable reports that meet industry standards. In conclusion, leveling surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 44, such as Scon Design, play a vital role in ensuring the stability and safety of construction projects. In the construction sector, leveling surveyors are essential to ensuring that the land is level and ready for construction. Leveling surveyors are in high demand in Gurgaon Sector 44, a rapidly expanding neighborhood in Delhi. Accurate leveling assessments are necessary to maintain the stability and safety of the structures in light of the increasing real estate market and the construction of various commercial and residential projects. Scon Design is one of the top businesses in Gurgaon Sector 44 offering leveling surveyor services. Scon Design has established a reputation for providing leveling surveys that are precise and trustworthy thanks to their knowledge and experience in the sector. When measuring and analyzing the land, they make use of cutting-edge technology and equipment to identify changes in elevation and produce comprehensive results. One cannot stress the significance of precise leveling surveys. In order to avoid future structural problems, it makes sure that the foundations of buildings are erected on solid ground. In order to provide efficient water management and avoid flooding or waterlogging problems, leveling surveys also assist in understanding the drainage patterns of the ground. Leveling surveyors can indicate